Okay guys, let's finish for 7. Now if you recall from the last video, if the numerator is missing a term, you must add it in. The same generally goes for the denominator for spacing purposes. So I'm going to put a k squared plus 0k minus 2 out here for that reason. 4k cubed minus 3k squared minus 8k plus 12. Okay, so 4k cubed divided by k squared is 4k, which goes up top. So I need to multiply 4k minus the k, or times the k squared plus 0k minus 2, which is 4k cubed plus 0k minus 8k. Plus 0k squared, excuse me, plus 0k squared minus 8k. So this is the reason why. It keeps us lined up in here properly. 4k cubed minus 4k cubed cancels. Negative 3 minus 0 is still negative 3k squared. Negative 8 minus negative 8 is plus 0k, bring down plus 12. Negative 3k squared divided by k squared is negative 3. So now I have to take negative 3 times k squared plus 0k minus 2, which is negative 3k squared plus 0k plus 6. Our remainder is 6. So the good news about when you have 3 terms on the outside is it takes you a little less time to get through it because you started with 3 at once. So my answer is 4k minus 3 plus the 6 over my original divisor, which is the k squared minus 2. I don't need the 0 anymore after it. Finally, let's get to the last page. Okay, 5x squared plus 2x minus 4 into 20x to the 4th minus 7x cubed plus 23x squared plus 30x minus 36. Okay. 20x to the 4th over 5x squared is 4x squared, goes up top. Now times all of the other things, and on the left, that goes down here, so that's 20x to the 4th plus 8x cubed minus 16x squared, subtract it off. Looks like you get negative 15x cubed plus 39x squared. Now bring down the 30x. Negative 15x cubed divided by 5x squared is negative 3x times that same thing. Minus 3x goes up here, which is negative 15x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x. Subtract it off. 39 minus negative 6 is really 39 plus 6. That's 45x squared. 30 minus 12, 15x. Bring down the minus 36. Lastly, 45x squared over 5x squared equals 9 times 5x squared plus 2x minus 4. That's 45x squared plus 18x minus 36. Oh, we have a match. 0. That 9 goes up here. Thankfully for us, there's no remainder. Means our answer is 4x squared minus 3x plus 9. Nice and easy. And one last one for fun, or something like that. 9x plus 4 into 27x cubed minus 33x squared minus 56x minus 16. 27x cubed divided by 9x is 3x squared times 9x plus 4 3x squared, times 9x is 27x cubed. 3x squared times the 4 is plus 12x squared. Subtract it off. Negative 33 minus 12 is negative 45x squared. Bring down the minus 56x. Negative 45x squared divided by 9x. Again, it's always the first term divided by the outside. Is negative 5x times 9x plus 4. So it's negative 45x squared minus 20x. Subtracting it off. Negative 56, really plus 20, is 36x. Bring down to minus 16. 36x divided by 9x is 4 times 9x plus 4. Oh, it's negative 36. So it's negative 36x divided by, it's negative 4. So this is negative 36x. I need to put the minus 5x up here. Sorry, minus 4. That's negative 36x minus 16. Again, is 0. So my answer is 3x squared minus 5x minus 4. And that is all for this chapter, and this is the end of the first test material.